All right, let's do a little shopping haul while the light is good in my kitchen. As the growing season ramps up, I got some chicken manure plant food, 332. There is one called Chicken Doo-Doo. It was like $1 or some odd more. So, and I buy the Expert Garden soil as well, so. Got some seed mail. Let me find something to open it up with here. This is all nice and fluffy. All right. We've got a whole mess of stuff in here. I like shopping from Etsy because it's more personalized. And some people go out of their way to, say thank you. So I have Vero Fly is a French heirloom spinach variety known for its large, smooth, dark green leaves that are tender and have a mild flavor. It's fast-growing, cold-tolerant, produces a high yield and resists to bolting. And it goes on about more stuff. Indian basket blanket flower, also known as blanket flower. Native wildflower adds bold, fiery colors to summer gardens and meadows, growing to be about 12 to 24 inches tall. And then I have Cosmos. Everybody knows Cosmos, and they're popular, easy to grow annuals featuring daisy-like flowers 2 to 5 inches wide. Holy crap. And then I got some Sparky Mix Marigold, Alaska Shasta Daisy. Boy, did I get a lot or not. Zinnias. And Russell Lupine Mix. They wrap the seeds in toilet paper. But look how they present it. So here's all the ones that I bought that I just read off. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to do more flowers than, everything else. So forget-me-nots, Shasta daisies. This is the marigold, Russell lupine, seashell, cosmos, verify spinach, key lime pie, zinnia, and then Indian blanket. So yeah, I'm going to go look at those more and see exactly what they're all about. So that's one order. Here's another order. It gives me my invoice and says thank you, and this is how they do it in a bubble wrap. And it is glued. The bubble wrap is glued to the back. Or taped, I should say. Put it over here so I'm not bending all over the place here. I see how they did this. Very good. Very good. Marigold Jolly Jester, Husker Red Pennistramen, and then Purple Gardenia False Foxglove, because foxglove is very poisonous to humans. So I like how they put the picture on there, so I'm like, yep, that's what attracted me to getting them. Alright, there's that. Hi, Moof. And then I went to Wally World. And I'm going to try my hand at blueberry. Now, this was the healthiest one. It's so healthy that it has some flowers going on it. So, the others were really dry and withered. I ordered me a test kit so I can do the pH. I've been studying what to use, some moss and other stuff on there. They had acidic soil, and it was very expensive, so I said, no, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to do the tester of my soil if I put it in a bigger container, and then put peat moss in it that makes it really acidic. So yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. First go around of blueberry. And then I got... So this is like 4 of them that I've gotten so far from Walmart. But strawberries. Very healthy. I always look the ones that have the flowers and the berries. I'm going to take all those off so it can grow bigger. I know it hurts, but I've only gotten about 1 or 2 last time I did it. So this one has a bunch of flowers going at it. It doesn't say the type, you know, like everlasting or whatever. It's just strawberry. Harvest varies by variety, and this was $2.97 at Walmart, so that's my fourth one that I got. Then I got myself some Perennial Blue Wonder Trixaris. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it reminded me of the Daylily. So I have no idea about this. I'm going to go read it, and what I do is I look inside the bag. I don't know if you're going to see it, but here's a white, or the part of the leaf coming off. That's what I look for, is some growth in there. I learned that from Walmart. Alright, and then last but not least, 50-cent packs of seeds. 4 o'clocks, which my landlady has, and I can always go pick off her bush, and I've been putting them somewhere, but I have yet to find them. So I'm going to do those in trays so I know. And then lupine, I bought 2 actual plants that are doing good, and you don't have to wait until the frost. And they're still doing good, so these are going to be started in inside. I've never done them inside. So I got 2 4 o'clocks and 2 lupines. That is my haul, people. That is it. So I am going to water the blueberry. Put the strawberries and the blueberry inside the greenhouse. And then I've done some rearranging of soft containers, those fabric containers around my garage, and I'm trying to plan out, because this weekend, tomorrow's going to be the best day, and then from there on out, all the way until next week, we're going to have rain and maybe a little bit of that white stuff coming my way, so it'd be good for me to stay in and plan, you know, where my garage is and how many containers I have and what I need, because I know the deer won't eat the squash and any kind of leaves that are really prickly and stuff, so I have to figure out, you know, if I'm going to have something, where is it going to grow, and is it deer resistant or not. There's no such thing as deer resistant. They either eat it or they don't. So anyway, that's my story. I'm sticking to it, and I will talk to you next time something fun comes up. All right, bye.